Good morning, children. This is part 4 of lesson 1. Welcome back to English class. Children, you might have learnt about grammar parts of speech, that is, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjectives. So here we are going to learn more about adjectives. An adjective is a word that modifies a noun or noun phrase or describes a noun. Its role is to change information given by the noun. Adjectives are one of the main parts of speech of the English language. Read the following sentences from the story. They heard a soft voice. In this sentence, soft is an adjective. He was dirty and dangerous. In this sentence, dirty and dangerous both are adjectives. It was easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals and birds. In this sentence, easy and smaller both are adjectives. The jackal told the elephant, "You are the biggest animal in the forest." Here, biggest is the adjective. He said to the peacock, "You are the loveliest bird in the forest." In this sentence, loveliest is an adjective. So here, in all the sentences, the underlined words are called adjectives. They come either before or after a noun. For example, a tall boy. Tall. Here, tall is describing a noun. That is boy. A tall boy. They take intensifiers like very, quite. For example, a very tall boy. Here, intensifiers are adverbs that strengthen the meaning of other expressions and show emphasis. Words that we commonly use as intensifiers are absolutely, completely, extremely, highly, really, too, quite, and so on. So mostly adjectives comes before a noun. Adjectives have degrees of comparison. They are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Children, as you learnt in the before slide, adjectives may describe the color of a noun, shape of a noun, or size of a noun, or maybe its attitude. Adjectives have degrees of comparison. They are the first one, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. For example, small, smaller, smallest. Here are the three forms of some adjectives arranged in the positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. Dark, darker, darkest. Small, smaller, smallest. Near, nearer, nearest. Big, bigger, biggest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. When coming to melodious, positive degree is melodious, more melodious, and most melodious. It's not melodier or melodious. Some adjectives they possess more and most in comparative and superlative degrees. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. The same way, pleasant, more pleasant, and most pleasant. Now coming to today's assignment. Assignment 4. Read the following paragraph carefully, underline all the adjectives, and write the other degrees of comparison for them. Yesterday, we went for a picnic to Nehru Zoological Park, which is one of the biggest zoos in the country. The climate was cool and pleasant. We saw many animals, birds, reptiles, etc. We also saw a very large elephant. After that, we saw a tall giraffe with a long neck. There were also some small birds which sang sweet songs. There was a beautiful peacock which danced majestically. We went for we went very close to the brown cobra. We felt very happy. We reached home late in the evening. Now, here some words are underlined. All those are adjectives. Biggest, cool, pleasant, many, large, long, small, sweet, beautiful, close, happy, and late. So now, in your notebook, you write all the three forms of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. The first one is biggest. Biggest is given. Biggest is superlative degree. Now you have to write the positive degree and comparative degree of biggest. Positive degree is big and comparative degree is bigger. Big, bigger, biggest. In the same way, you note down all the adjectives and their degrees of comparison. This is your homework. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.